Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to share with you guys what a typical evening routine looks like for me in the winter this year. I showed you my winter morning routine last week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'm going to share with you the things that I do to get ready for bed at night and also to help me prepare to make our morning go a little smoother the next day. So if you like videos like this, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment below. And let's get started. So this is a fairly typical evening after dinner, and I am unloading the dishwasher before I can put away the dinner dishes. And it doesn't work out this way every night. I only run the dishwasher when it's very full, so that really varies, and I just empty it whatever time of day it needs to be emptied. Usually everyone helps me out after dinner by putting their own dishes in the dishwasher, and so it is really ideal to have it empty before dinner, but with our schedule today, that's just not what happened, and I'm fine with that. Because our weekly garbage collection is tomorrow, I am taking the bag out and putting it into our garbage can that we keep in the garage, and my husband will wheel it to the curb for me in the morning. Now it's time to wash the dinner dishes and load up the dishwasher. I also spend a few minutes cleaning up after where I've been cooking all along the stove and the countertops. Most evenings, my husband will take our dog Austin for a walk while I'm cleaning up the kitchen, and so Austin is excitedly running around while my husband gets his coat and shoes on. I think it's really worth it to spend these few minutes every night cleaning up the stovetop. I'm able to get off any splatters or spills, and then nothing ever really has a chance to build up, and I never have to do a real deep cleaning of the stovetop. Sometimes it just seems easier to leave the kitchen a mess and go relax after a long, hard day, but I find that the effort to clean up the kitchen in the evening is so worth it when you can walk into a clean kitchen in the morning and really start your day off right. After my husband and Austin return from their walk, they like to spend some time in the evening on training, and this is a real fun treat for everybody. Austin is a real eager learner, and he is super motivated by his food, so we work on a lot of things. Sometimes I work with him as well, but it's fun to watch all the things that my husband has been teaching him. Our son Peyton started a new program, and so we have to get up much earlier in the morning. And to make that go a little smoother, I switched my schedule so that I am now taking my baths and showers in the evening. I am really enjoying this, especially in the wintertime. I only wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week, so when I don't need to do that, I've been enjoying a bath, especially when it's been cold outside. While my bath water is running, I like to diffuse some essential oils, and I like the ones that promote sleep and relaxation, and the one that I'm enjoying right now is called Sleep, and you can find this at the Grove Collaborative, and it's a really nice blend. It really makes me feel relaxed and like I'm in a spa while I'm taking my bath. I'm really enjoying this change in our schedule and this extended time I have getting ready for bed. It really has helped me to unwind in the evenings, and I know that I am sleeping better at night because of it. Also, before I get in the bath, I like to remove my makeup, and I have been using this Say Yes to Coconuts micellar water for that. We don't have a table beside the tub, and so I usually pull out our hamper and use it as a table. And I'll put the soap that I like to use on my face there and anything else that I want to have by the bath. Today is also the day that I washed our sheets and towels, so I'm just putting them all back in their proper places in the bathroom, and there is nothing nicer than getting out of the bath and using a nice freshly washed towel. After my bath, I like to go back out and spend a little time with my husband. And tonight I'm making a cup of tea. We've really been enjoying this in the winter time. It's a nice way to wind down, relax, and warm up. also helps the morning go smoother when I've done a little bit of preparation for breakfast the night before. And one thing that my family really loves is when I make steel-cut oatmeal. If you guys are interested in how I do this, I actually have a video and I will link it in the cards above. It was one of the first videos I made on YouTube, so please don't judge. When the tea is ready, I come join my husband on the couch along with Austin, and we will usually sit and relax. And lots of times our son will be down here with us as well, but tonight he is playing an online video game with some friends. I enjoy a little bit of time before I actually go to sleep, getting in bed and either reading or watching something with my husband on TV. And if I haven't done my morning reading, I will get out my Bible, and sometimes I still get it out and review what I studied earlier that day. Some of you have asked what Bible I'm using, and it is called the Life Essentials Study Bible, and I love that it pulls out principles for living from my reading for the day. To make it easier for you guys to find if you're interested, I have a link for it in my Amazon store, which you can find below in the description box. I also really love to wind down with a good fiction book, and I am showing you guys this bookmark because this is one of my favorite ways to remind myself of a special scripture, is to have it on a piece of paper that I keep in a book or some other place around the house where I can look at it repeatedly throughout the day. And that is how I end my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know that you want me to make more. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's absolutely free to subscribe, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.